everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on vibration on your iPhone. So let's get started. This guide works on iOS 18 and the steps are simple. First of all, open the settings on your iPhone and scroll down and find the sounds and haptics option. Here you will see an option called haptics. Tap on it. Now make sure one of these options is selected. Always play and play in silent mode. Always play, this keeps vibration on at all times, and play in silent mode, this enables vibration only when your phone is in silent mode. If never play is selected, your iPhone won't vibrate for calls or alerts, so avoid that option. In the same sound and haptics settings, find system haptics and turn it on. Here we can find the system haptics there and you must turn it on. Next, check your vibration settings for ringtone and text tone. Tap ringtone, make sure a vibration pattern is selected, not known. Here is the ringtone option, and yes, my ringtone is selected with a vibration pattern. Tap text tone, from there here the step text tone from there, and also not select a vibration pattern. You should select a vibration pattern from there. Here I choose antique, and now my vibration mode is on in text tone option. If no one is selected, your iPhone won't vibrate when you receive calls or messages. Go to back the settings and tap on accessibility option like this. Select touch option, from there look for vibration and make sure it is turned on. Yes, here it is turned on. By default this setting is on, but if it's off, your iPhone won't vibrate at all even with the other settings enabled. That's it. Now your iPhone will vibrate for calls, messages and system alerts. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.